In this video, you will learn how to find your API key and secret on Crypto.com. First, log into Crypto.com account, open the Crypto.com app or visit the website. Log in using your username and password. Then, once logged in, navigate to the settings or account section. This is usually located in the top left corner of the app. In the settings menu, look for an option such as API or API management. This section will allow you to generate and manage your API keys. On the Crypto.com website, you may need to go to the security section first, then select API management. Create a new API key. If you already don't have an API key, you'll need to generate a new one. Click on a generate a new API key or add new API key. You may need to be asked to set permissions for your API key. This will determine the actions that can be performed via the API, such as trade, read, data. After that, write down your API key. It's important to copy and save the API secret immediately. This will only be shown once for security reasons. If you lose it, you'll need to regenerate the key. Store the API secret in a safe location, such as a password manager, because you will not be able to view it ever again. Set permissions for your API key. You can assist specific permissions to your API key, such as read, access your information, trade, allow trading operations, withdraw, allow withdrawal of funds. Make sure your API key settings. Once you have the desired permissions and saved your API key, this can begin using it for integration with third-party apps or trading bots. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.